With a spanning career for over 4 decades, Robert Downey Jr. gained worldwide acclaim with his iconic role of Tony Stark, Iron Man, in 10 Marvel movies. His other notable films include Sherlock Holmes, 2009, and its sequel, Tropic Thunder, 2008, and Zodiac, 2007, to name a few. His addict father introduced Robert Downey Jr. to drugs at a very young age, which led the actor to struggle with substance abuse for many years. But in spite of all the ups and downs, Robert Downey Jr. overcame his drug addiction, and his comeback has been phenomenal. Even though he is not a billionaire, he is one of the highest paid actors, and his net worth stands at $300 million. His stint as Iron Man ended with Avengers: Endgame, 2020, when he and Chris Evans decided to leave the MCU. According to Robert Downey Jr., "We had to get off, and it was a part of the job to get off the bus while it was rolling on to other destinations. While we're not quite sure if he'll return as Tony Stark, we can surely." Here you'll find the best collection of inspirational quotes from Robert Downey Jr. These include Robert Downey Jr. quotes on success and life. Take a look at these best Robert Downey Jr. quotes and you might get inspired. 1. The lesson is that you can still make mistakes and be forgiven. Robert Downey Jr. 2. Job 1 is to get out of that cave. A lot of people do get out but don't change. 3. Maybe the goal really should be a life that values honor, duty, good work, friends and family. 4. I'm not afraid of total failure because I don't think that will happen. I'm not afraid of success because that beats the hell out of failure. 5. Worrying is like praying for something that you don't want to happen. 6. People never change because they are under threat or under duress. Never. They change because they see something that makes their life seem valuable enough to start moving toward a life worth living. 7. Do I want to be a hero to my son? No. I would like to be a very real human being. That's hard enough. 8. Look, even bad years are pretty good years, I think. 9. Discipline for me is about respect. It's not even about self-respect, it's about respect for life and all it offers. 10. If I'm not on my team, why should anybody else be? 11. I think it's miraculous that anybody survives themselves.